What's up guys, it's John from Jay's Life, and today I will be unboxing the Jabra Elite 65T wireless headphones. I know I haven't done a video in a month, 5 weeks. I was supposed to release a video on the Apple iPhone X where I did a review on it after about a month or so, 4-week review, 5-week review, but the lighting so far in the past few months, well, for a few weeks, has been really bad. And also I've been putting off a little bit as well because, I don't know, I've been a bit tired lately and so on and so forth. So yeah, I got these because my, the wired ones I have are Sennheiser, but they are wired, and also around the soft area cushion part where it's all stitched together and stuff, it's falling apart now. So yeah, I need some wireless headphones to work out with, and these, what I've read, and also this YouTube video this guy did, that I might put in the description below, he did this workout routine that he does, and they never fell out once, he said. And then he did it with Apple, and they just kept falling out about 3 times in his workout. So I thought, okay, did a lot of research. £125 for the Jabra T65T, £110, the cheapest I could find anywhere. But I think there's a sale on as well, so I'm not sure if that's still going around. So yeah, this was actually a gift for my birthday, which was in April. We're in June, the end of June now. So yeah, a good few months have passed since my birthday, but I was quite adamant about wanting them, and I got them today. So £125 for these headphones, and they're supposed to be quite nice. So I'm just gonna, unbox it and take a look. Okay, so it says on the box, superior sound for 150 years. Jabra Elite 65T. Now, I've tried my best to get it in frame and everything else, but unfortunately it's not great area that I'm in. So hopefully the sound quality is going to be just as good as my other videos have improved, I think, hopefully. So yeah. Honestly, I'm not sure what's going to happen here. Like, it's quite sealed. I might have to destroy the box, because there's some sort of glue at the bit here, and I just wanted to pull it out, but it's not looking like I can do that. I might have to open it upside down because there's just tape on these two sides, which is a bit odd when you think about it. There's just tape here and on one of the other sides as well, so it looks like I'm destroying the box whilst doing this. I got like a little knife-ish thing. One done. Just kind of slides through it a bit. It's actually for my nails, supposed to, but I don't use it for my nails. Okay, see, it's a little nail clipper. Let's hopefully that comes out. Oh, it's like a casing? What's going on? There we go. Yeah, it's kind of wrapped itself around like a box within a box. Yeah, see, I would have to destroy this bit here because it's glued together, which is just a bit of emptiness. So this is what it actually kind of looks like, and it's got this little slide on the side here. Just kind of pull. You kind of just pull. Yep. Oh, and it's kind of quite light. I kind of like this sleek. This says welcome to superior sound, and it's got these little 2 Jabra headphones on either side, which kind of feels like a bit of wasted space here. Like, welcome to superior sound, 2 Jabra headphones, and maybe a bit of text or like a little picture or something of someone using them. I don't know. Oh, it's kind of just comes off. There's a lot of packaging to this thing. You got a box here, you got a box here, you got some extra stuff here. Let's move that out of the way. So this is the little box for charging them. Oh god, actually, it's actually a little bit stiff. Okay, I have no nails, so he's already damaging it. I'm not joking, this thing is... There we go. I'm really weak. Let's try it again. So, oh yes, take 2. Yeah, actually I thought I was going to break that. Oh. Okay, and this little green light comes on when I open it for some reason. It says... It's a sticker. That's what it says. Yeah. Oh crap, I just staked it to the table. No. Oh dear. Stuck it, whatever. Let's put it there. So, oh yeah, these are wireless, so they just kind of pop out. I was like thinking they're stuck in. How am I getting out the wires? It's like, oh, it's wireless, you idiot. They're actually really tiny. This is the palm of my hand, and that's one, and that's two. They're so small. This is quite funny how small they are. Oh, they have a little connector on the back of them here. So I guess they charge via there, and I guess the Bluetooth is inside. I'm not sure if it comes with power, but this thing seems to have some in it. There should be some sort of wire, which I'm assuming it's inside this superior here. So superior sound starts with a superior fit. Oh, this could be the wire and also this other stuff. Wow, you got your little information pamphlet type thing. That's like 1,000,000,000 pages long, which you don't need. Some more warnings. And here's your charging. Whoa, that's a tiny... Oh, I think this is the same as a Samsung charger. Oh, somewhat similar to it. Try and get them focused. Yeah. I think I have this along the lead. This thing is tiny. This lead is ridiculously small. Look at this. That is really, really quite short, to be honest. There's no way that's going to really do much for me. The length of it, I mean, like, that's not great length, to be honest. Yeah, I think the wire could be longer. Or wireless charging. I could just do wireless charging, yeah. Apparently these cases, I'm not sure if this one is wireless. I know there is some cases that are wireless. I haven't really looked at it properly. I know that they were just the best headphones I could probably get. And these are all the little ones, the earbuds for perfect fits. Let's just put them in my ear and test it out a bit. What's left and what's right? So, as you can probably tell, a little R means right. So they kind of feel quite weird. They're resting in my ear currently, and they kind of like pop in, like, because they go so deep. They're actually quite, and you kind of just have to, and they kind of like feel like a bit of suction when they go in your ear. It's actually quite odd. It's like having your ears popped continuously. Like that weird feeling, because they're just stuck inside. They actually fit quite nice and snugly, but just getting them in is quite weird. And then it kind of, everything sounds really, really loud now, and also quite muted at the same time. It's a very odd feeling. Yeah. Well, I'll let you guys know how they are, but this is just the unboxing video, and they feel quite odd. But they feel like they would never fall out, though. That's really impressive. They feel like they would never actually fall out. Oh, and you can touch them. They kind of go in a bit. Huh. This one. Oh, you can't go that one. But if I touch this one, it's a clicking sound. I'm not sure you can hear it, but it's quite odd. Yeah, so I think that's going to be it for me, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video, and I'll let you know how they are and maybe test them out. So there's this like little mark on my arm there. If you wanted to know what that was, I've just got bitten by a horse today because I didn't hold it properly on my left hand. We have to hold it by both hands, and I just loosened my grip slightly, and it just went for me. So yeah, that was my bad. So I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.